Best apps to meet friends in your area. You just moved to a new city. Your phone's full of contacts, but not one of them lives nearby. No friends to grab a coffee with. No one to explore the weekend with. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In today's digital world, making real-life connections can feel harder than ever. But there's good news. There are apps designed not to date, but to help you make genuine friendships right where you are. Let's dive into the best apps to meet friends in your area, completely focused on building community, not romance. Number 5. Yubo. Originally created for Gen Z, Yubo is growing fast and not just among teens. It lets you connect with people nearby through live streams and group chats where you can talk about music, hobbies, or literally anything. It feels casual, spontaneous, and social like a digital hangout space. If you're into low-pressure, chat-first connections, this is a great place to start. Just set your interests, see who's around, and jump into conversations. Simple as that. Number 4. Nextdoor. This one's a bit different, but incredibly useful. Nextdoor is an app designed to connect you with people in your actual neighborhood. It's like a virtual town square where people post about events, clubs, Meetup 7, lost pets, or local garage sales. But the real value? Finding nearby interest groups from hiking clubs to book circles. If you want to meet friends just blocks away, Nextdoor brings real-world proximity into the digital age. Number 3. Meetup. Old but gold. Meetup has been around for years and is still one of the most effective platforms to meet people in real life. It's packed with events based on your interests, from photography walks to coding groups, yoga in the park to language exchanges. You're not just texting strangers, you're actually joining communities doing something you enjoy. And that shared activity? It breaks the ice instantly. Number 2. Bumble for Friends. BFF. Yes, Bumble isn't just for dating anymore. Bumble BFF is a dedicated mode for finding platonic friendships. Swipe right if you feel a vibe, swipe left if not. But instead of romantic matches, you're matched with potential new friends. The app lets you build a profile focused on your hobbies, values, weekend plans, and even your perfect hangout. It's one of the most intuitive and user-friendly ways to meet like-minded people near you. Number 1. Hey, Vina. Sometimes called Tinder for girlfriends, Hey, Vina is specifically designed for women seeking meaningful friendships. Whether you just moved, started a new job, or simply want to expand your circle, this app makes it easy. What sets it apart is how personalized it feels. It offers personality quizzes, articles, and guided prompts to help break the ice. And the best part? Every match is friendship first, not dating disguised. If you're looking for a safe, supportive space to meet new female friends, hey, Vina is hands down the top choice. So, which app is right for you? Want a casual group vibe? Try Yubo. Prefer neighborhood level connection? Nextdoor is your go-to. Love joining events in real life? Meetup is perfect. Want to swipe for friendship? Bumble BFF has you covered. Looking for women-only connection? Hey, Vina is the answer. The truth is, everyone craves connection. And with the right tool, you can turn a city of strangers into your circle of friends. Have you tried any of these apps? Got a friendship story to share? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear it. And if this video helped you, give it a like so others can find their people too.